Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem a Minecraft gift card code for Minecoins. Alright, let's begin. Minecoins are used in the Minecraft marketplace and can be redeemed on console, mobile, or computer. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Using a browser is the easiest method. Go to the official Minecraft website by typing minecraft.net. Once the site loads, tap on Accounts at the top and select the Redeem option from the menu. Now enter your Minecraft gift card code in the given field. If you are using a physical gift card, scratch off the back to reveal the code. When entering the code, do not include any dashes or hyphens. After entering the code, tap on Redeem to continue. You will then be redirected to the Microsoft sign-in page. Sign in using the same Microsoft account that you use for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Once signed in, add the Minecoins to your account and complete the process. So that's basically how you can redeem a Minecraft gift card code for Minecoins. That's it for this video. Thanks.